A tribute from the mom. Son, you were kind-hearted, loving, caring person. The name you used to call me, Mamushka, still rings in my mind each and every minute I think of you. You are such a vibrant son to me, but you have been taken away from us too much early, and your memory will remain forever in my heart. I'm proud of you. I know you're in peace. Goodbye, my son. I know you're happy in heaven, waving down at me and your siblings. Till we meet again, my boy, Kababa. Tribute from the brother. My brother Gerald, you are loved. You are a beloved friend to me and a cornerstone to our family. You had a warm smile that radiant everywhere you were. You were always there to lend an ear, offer advice, share a laugh, no matter the challenges we face. Though you are no longer with us physically, your memory and impact will live in our hearts. I was fortunate enough to have you as my brother. Continue resting in peace. Son and daughter, death has robbed us of you, dad and friend, and has left us shocked to the core. We were your best and only kids, as you were the best and only dad to us. All the plans we had are now cut short. Rest easy, dad. A tribute from his father. My son, I loved you so much. I know your wish was to make us proud and shine high. Your hard work has made me proud. We will never forget your smile, wonderful reasoning, forever appreciating altitude in you. Your love for life and all the things you're planning to help us in future. Continue praising with the angel's son. A tribute from his sister. Hey bro, I can still recall how you used to call me each time and every time. I still cherish those moments. You are a loving brother, a cherished friend, a remarkable gentleman. To us who were not just siblings, but also our confidant, our role model, and our humble brother. Your presence brought joy. Your laughter, your warmth into our lives, your memories will continue to do so. Continue to do so. Rest in peace, brother. A tribute from myself. Dear Gerald, I know you can't answer all my unanswered questions, but bro, I will always ask you why. You stood for righteousness and honesty ever. You taught me to always be who I am today. You always guided me. You always showed up for our mom's birthday. Every single birthday, you never missed. And you came with a different vibe of laughter. I appreciate you, Moss. I don't call you that, but I call you Gerard. I appreciate you, bro. Shine with the angels. You're an angel, and there's a place up there for you. You're gonna sit just beside him because you're an angel yourself. Always true love, bro. But I would like to give someone an opportunity to give a tribute for her own. Jenny, please. She couldn't, or okay.
Good afternoon. I'm Jenny. I've lived with Gerald for 4 years, since 2021. All I can say is rest in peace, Gerald. I really loved you, and I still love you even now in death. Thank you.
Thank you. MC.
Tupigie makofi mazuri. Tupigie makofi mazuri. Sasa kwa sasa anatusomea eulogy. Tumpigie makofi mazuri akikuja. Tumpigie makofi mazuri. Hapa. Mwenye anasoma eulogy. Nicholas ni mwenye anakuja? Sawa, harakisha niko.
Yule anakuja.
Nicholas harakisha, ni wewe tunasubiri.
Yule.
Kopi ndio. Sio nikaa kona yake. Kwani yule. Ziko hizo zingine, there were some few copies ama zili. Where are those copies? Kuja niko. Kuja.
So this is the eulogy of the late Gerald Mwangi Njoroge. The late Gerald Mwangi Njoroge was born on 14th December 1983 at Kenyatta Hospital in Nairobi. He was the second born child of Samuel Njoroge and Mrs. Haida Nzilani Njoroge. He was a brother to David Muli, Felista Nyambura, step-brother to Stephen Obwaka, Eli Obwaka in the USA, Hussein Obwaka, and Ashif Obwaka. He was uncle to Haida Nzilani and Haida Abigail. He was cousin to Martin Msioka, Eric, Tina, Grace, Bisi, Muna, Mwende, Florence, Michelle, Brian, Msau, Debbie in the USA, Eli SA, Gloria, Dr. Chris, Wayne in the UK, Collins in the UK, Rebecca, Eric, Jackson, Evans, Angie, Murugi, Dora, Nelly, Nikki, Sharon, Newton, Philly, Rhoda, and David, and many more who are not mentioned. His uncles and aunties are Ruben, Phoebe, Catherine, Michael, Janet, Doris, Agre and Helen Obwaka, Dr. Job and Everest Obwaka, Zedekiah and Mary Obwaka, Jolene Obwaka, Dr. William and Reverend Emily Obwaka, Anne and George Odembo, and the late Lydia Obwaka. Church. The late Gerald Mwangi Njoroge was led to Christianity by his parents, where he joined St. Anne's Catholic Church, Maithori, where he was baptized in the year 2005. He later relocated to Thika, where he lived till his demise. Education. The late Gerald Mwangi Njoroge started his education in 1997 at Machakos Township Primary School, where he did his KCSE education in the year 2004. He later joined Rungiri Secondary School for his O-level studies in the year 2005 to 2009. In the year 2014, December, he joined NIMS College, where he got his diploma in hospitality. Children. The late Gerald Mwangi Njoroge had two children, namely Haida Nzilani Mwangi and Jason Kinanjui. Work. In the year 2016, he got employed at Beams Hotel, then later joined Panorama Hotel Naivasha. In the year 2019, he joined Matatu sector as a conductor, where he was working till his demise. On 2nd October 2024, Gerald Mwangi was involved in an accident at Wayakiwe and was rushed to Kenyatta Hospital. He had sustained several injuries and later taken to the ICU, which is the intensive care unit, but he developed some complications. He passed on at 10:40 p.m. on 10th October 2024. I have fought a good fight. I have finished the race. I have kept the faith. 1 Timothy 4:7-8. Thank you.
Tumpigie makofi mazuri. Umesoma vizuri sana. Mungu akubariki wewe na upate ndege wewe katika jina la Yesu wewe.